Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today is day 27 of 90 days challenge. And thank you for everyone to support me and to my journey. And now I am improving a lot, and now I understand English easily. I easily maintain my level, and I day by day improve my English. So yes, today what do you like to me?
What do you like to me? Okay, so today is day 27, and I hope you all are following the challenge. You all are practicing every single day. I understand that it is a bit boring to maintain consistency and read every day and do the speaking practice. And everybody, after a certain point of time, they stop enjoying the process, but still, if you have the strong why and motive behind learning English, you still have to maintain the consistency. This is the only thing that can give you the result at the end, nothing else, right? Okay, so today I want you to speak on the topic, and that is depression. I know it's negative one, but it's something which is so common in today's generation, in today's time. Many people are going through this, many people are even not aware that they are going through this. So I want to know that what comes to your mind, and what you know about depression, and how you describe it.
Okay, depression is not simply sadness or bad mood. I think it's depend on inner inner strength, and everyone feels depression because everyone struggle their life. Everyone struggle to struggle to maintain business, and struggle to study, struggle to concentrate. So that's why everyone feels depression, I think. And people sometimes hide it because there are so many people hide it because they when meet with anyone, that time we have keep smiling on face, but in under in inner body they feel very tired and very low because of depression. And depression, it can happen with anyone because there is no boundaries for age. There are no limits ki if you are not success, if you are success, then you not then you not feel depression. It's not I think matter, because depression is not see age and criteria. And so that's why everyone feels that everyone face this problem. And uh, everyone face this problem. And another thing, depression, another thing, people when we meet anyone, then we stay natural, and they show off that that they happy, and they not facing right now depression, any stress. And I think that is the main depression point. And people suffering a lot from depression. And
Okay, so if you know that somebody is going through it, or somebody is struggling or in depression, do you know any symptoms that we can recognize with, or we can understand?
Symptoms, depression symptoms, but I think people not show. And people show only with friends, I think, because they not show with our family, they not share with family members, and they not share with anyone. Only they share with close friends, I think. So that time our friends easily connect with them, and they understand easily. So ki matlab ki we are feeling right now very tired and very low, and we feeling very depressed, I think. So it's all about depend on bond connections. Right now, if we are right now very closely connections, so that time I share with you my depressions, why I am feeling very depressed. So then you can tell me, you can ask, you can tell me your your I think why you depressed right now. So I think it's depend on bond. So then we can share with anyone, I think.
Right, but one is which is very visible is that the person starts speaking less or stays in his own way. It's not just like everybody likes their own company, also. That when they are alone, they do a lot of things like reading, watching, observing people at the same time. But if they are not enjoying that solitude, it means they are sad within, so they feel lonely most of the
Loneliness,
time,
yes.
and that exacerbates the situation in this case. So people should spend time with family, friends, and they should open up, and they should make it a little effort to share with other people or friends. Okay, any other way to get rid of depression, if you know, or if we can avoid at first place, how we can avoid just being in depression?
How can we avoid?
Anything, if you know. So
No.
before even depression, how what we can do, so we should not go into depression, and that is one. First, spending quality time with friends and family. Another we can do is that indulge ourselves in some kind of activity, which can be exercise, yoga, meditation, gymming, anything, or walking in the evening, going for a walk in the morning or evening, anytime. I think these are the small efforts that we can, incorporate and can put every day, so we can refrain from ourselves going into depression, because daily activities play a vital role in our mental health, and depression is directly related to our mental health.
Yeah, that is from my side. If we struggle with the depression and we handle it and we manage it, so then we definitely go to yoga, go to gym, go to spend time with friends. I think that is very helpful for deal with depression, I think. So yes, that is from my side. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, this is for you also, guys, that you, whatever you feel about it, you can share and can practice at home related to depression. And if anybody's around you who is going through, you can just be a helping hand and can help them get rid of this. Okay, now you can wind this.
Okay, guys, and stay connected with him. And we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep improving.